Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. Look at this ultimate caramel cake. Absolutely brilliant. A work of art. Start with a basic vanilla cake and layer it up with caramel buttercream. Now coat it in caramel buttercream, smoothing it out to create a lovely flat work surface. Now get some caramel popcorn and melted yellow chocolate with a satay stick. Dip the popcorn into the melted chocolate to glue onto the stick. Keep going until you've reached the top. Put that aside to set, and now get some caramel and drizzle it along one edge of your cake. Stick on some waffle pieces. Lovely. Now some caramel popcorn. And caramel toffee. This looks absolutely delicious. Pop in your caramel popcorn decoration, placing a few more pieces on top of the cake to make it look like it's flowing on top. Some more wafers, more caramel toffee, and then finally a popcorn bag. And there you have an amazing work of art. Looks like the popcorn is being poured right on top of the cake. Simply slice. Look at that. And enjoy.